I'm stood right in front of a relatively noisy machine here, but there's quite a lot of ambient noise. Here to tell me what it's all about is Will from MaxiCam. Will, thank you very much. What is it that you're showing off here that's making a fair bit of noise behind us here?
Yeah, so this is basically one of the main tools for sign makers for fabricating their signs. So if you want to create flat cut letters, sign trays, anything that needs to be machined, then this is the machine for doing it. We also use it a lot for engraving as well, and inlay work. But yeah, this is a major tool for the sign makers in the UK.
So it's a nice big CNC machine. What is it that you've got it doing here right now?
So at the minute we're just doing a bit of engraving. This is the first stage because it's a multi-tool changer machine. So once it's finished doing its engraving, it's going to do a bit of profiling as well, some round over work, and then finally it will cut the parts out, and they will look similar to these guys in our display cabinet over there when it's finished.
Well, you mentioned it's a multi-tool machine, so well, let's have a look at what you've got in the display cabinet first of all here. So these are essentially what you're cutting at the moment.
That's right. Yeah, so they're the finished product. They just slot together, and it's really just to demonstrate the nice finish that you can get on these machines. The idea, obviously, is that there's no hand finishing to do afterwards.
Yeah.
The guys can take the parts off. They're all nice and clean, ready to go, be packed, and then be sent straight out.
And you mentioned this one here, your MaxiM3 1325 Advanced Series CNC machine is a multi-tool unit. How many tools are we looking at in one go on here?
So in standard configuration it's 8 tools, but anything up to 12 in the tool changer. And so basically we have in there sort of 3mm cutters, V-grooving tools, 8mm profiling tools. So really they can load the carousel with a full set of tools, just let it run. When the machine needs the right tool, it will just go off, collect it, do the work, and then put it away afterwards.
Now, tell me a bit about MaxiCam. Are you the manufacturer or distributor or designer of these machines?
So we're the UK and Ireland dealer for MaxiCam, and we've been doing it now for nearly 9 years. So yeah, we've got machines all over Ireland, all over the UK, and yeah, it's a very popular model, this one, especially for sign makers. It's sort of a mid-range machine. It does everything that they need, nice and sturdy, and you can cut really thick materials really fast with nice finishes all the time.
And who typically do you find are your customers for this type of machine here?
Well, anything from sort of 1 or 2 man bands who need a nice machine, up to huge sign companies who buy 3 or 4 at a time. So yeah, it's basically anything from just standard sign making, fabrication, engineering, plastics, all those sort of people, through to woodworking as well.
Before we go, Bill, just tell me, what are you most looking forward to at this year's show?
Hopefully selling some machines.
Well, I wish you all the very best of luck with that. Bill from MaxiCam, thank you very much indeed.
Thanks very much. Cheers.
Cheers.